we doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is all right. I am steaming and boiling. Honestly, it's so warm at the moment, isn't it? So I hope that wherever you are of a temperature that pleases your heart. I would like to be a little more cool. Oof. Is it the heat that's got me hot and bothered, or is it this? Birchbox's special edition for their 5th birthday. It's a very, very pretty tin. Look at it. Collector's edition. Very nice. But is it worth getting all het up about? You know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button. Join my high def family. Of course, you can ring the notification bell so you know when I upload. Share this video around so everyone can find out about it. And most importantly, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know you enjoy these videos. Alright, let's get into it. It's a monthly subscription box. It's normally a box, not a tin, but it is kind of around this size, and it's $12.95 a month, and you get 5 items. Should we open it up? And we have a couple of cards. This was to celebrate our 5th birthday with a special offer to say thank you for being such a fabulous Birchboxer. 15% off everything at the Birchbox shop using code HAPPY15, and 25% off everything for Birchbox VIPs using code SMILE25. And it's valid for active subscribers only. Here we are. Here are all our items. Do they look good? I think I'm reserving judgment. I had another birthday edition box last month, a little known box, and I wasn't that excited about it. I just didn't think they did enough. Didn't feel like a birthday box. And looking in this tin, not really feeling it either. But I need to reserve judgment. But I hope that Birchbox have made it a birthday edition. What do I expect from a birthday box? I expect there to be like 5 full-size items or 6 full-size items, or there'll be a standout item that's worth like £50, or is a really special item like maybe a full-size tub of Glam Glow, or a full-size touche éclat, or you know, something like an iconic type product. I don't know, just something that makes you go, oh wow, this is a birthday, not just any other tin, you know, or box. Anyway, this is Birchbox is 5. Hello Birchboxers, May is our 5th birthday here in the UK, so to celebrate we're channeling that most British of occasions, the tea party. From your special keepsake biscuit tin to the launch of the Birchbox Beauty Awards, June is all about thanking you, our wonderful Birchboxers. Now let's get this party started. Haha, so funny. So to go along with the tea theme, we have this from Whittard Chelsea. It's time for tea. Celebrate Celebrate Birchbox's 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends from Whittard of Chelsea. There's an extra surprise inside too. And it's got 3 individually wrapped tea bags. Okay, it just looks like that. And then on the back it says there's an Earl Grey black tea with flavouring, mango and bergamot green tea with flavouring. Oh, that sounds interesting. And lemon and ginger. Human infusion? What is wrong with me? Herbal infusion. Okay. Let's have a look and see what they look like and what our special surprise is. So we've got our tea bags. 1, 2, 3. And a little card. Oh, it's trying to escape me. Whittard Chelsea, a Whittard gift for Birchbox customers. Okay. Continue your tea tasting journey and we'll give you a free Payo Infuser mug. Do we know what a Payo Infuser mug is? I don't know. Worth £16 when you spend £25 in store or online at Whittard. And it's got a promo code which is BBPAO. Feel free to go ahead and use that because I'm not going to. Oh, I didn't tell you my promo code, did I? I have got a promo link or code. I'll just put it on screen to get a discount off your first Birchbox. I realised that I have actually been getting Birchbox for almost a year now. So whatever their shortcomings, I must like it enough to keep getting it. I normally like to cancel and reorder it because then usually you can find a discount code and get like 10 to 15% off, sometimes 20%, or when you reorder you can get another product. Like I think there's a lip product that's worth about £12 if you reordered it and got the extra item with it this month. So it's always good to do that. So that is our tea. It's our extra goodie. Discover 3 delicious brands for your ultimate brew from this quintessentially British brand. After all, a tea party isn't complete without a good cuppa. Of course it's not. Right, what have we got next? We're going to go for this because I like the colour. And this is from Polar. It's a French brand, and normally when I get this stuff, it's all like I've had like hand cream and cooling thing for under the eye, and it's got like pictures of snowflakes and stuff on it. So I've never had anything that's sun related. Interesting. It's 30 UVA UVB for face and body velvety sun fluid. This silky high protection fluid with perfect balance of UVA and UVB filters helps fight against sunburns and premature aging. Its light, non-greasy formula applies easily without leaving any white streaks. Apply generously before exposure. Reapply frequently. Free of paraben, alcohol and mineral oil. Dermatologist tested. Water resistant. Best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. Well, I don't mind this because, you know, we all need sun cream and it is for face and body, so that is good. But it'd be great if this was like a face moisturiser, or do we put this on under our moisturiser, over our moisturiser? Probably over, right? So hopefully it's light enough to do that with, because otherwise it's way too small for your body, right? But for a face one, I'm going to keep this handy because I do need to make sure I take more care of my face skin. Oh, this looks exciting. The Professional Pearl Primer. So Benefit have come out with another Professional product, which is primers that fill in your pores, if it didn't make any sense. And they've done different varieties, and this one is like a pearly one. So soft radiance face primer to minimise the look of pores, and that's it. Oh, and help skin look bright, boosted and awake. Now this is the kind of thing that would have been the standout product, and it would have been a really awesome thing to have a full size. It says to use, smooth all over the face, layer for added brightening, use under makeup as a primer or pat on top of makeup to touch up. I like that you can put it on top of your makeup. It's soft pink. 90% of people said the complexion looked brighter. 91% said it minimised the look of pores. Well, we've got to put it to the test, don't we? So it's just like very pale pink colour. Apparently a little of this goes a long way. It feels super smooth and silky. I have to say, that does look better. How you feel when you just realise you've been talking to yourself and you accidentally switched your recording off? So mad right now. Okay, I'll get over it. I'll be back in a minute. So went through most of this box and didn't say a word to you about it, or at least not a word that you're going to remember. So I'm just going to do a recap. Well, for me, a recap, for you the first time. Right, this from Ella Eden. This is a brand I'd never heard of, Ella Eden London. This is in the colour called Faith, and you are going to get a choice between this colour and another one. It says mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with long lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement. This is what it looks like, and it is a beautiful rich coppery colour, like brown copper, and I really like it. I'm actually quite impressed. I think the colour payoff is good. Looks like this in the pan. That was just like 1, 2, 3 swipes around, you know how it goes. I still think that $12.99 is a bit steep for a single eyeshadow, but maybe once I put it on my eye and see if it lasts forever, I'll be really impressed. But you know, when you get things like Soap X palette for £10, this is $12.99. It's kind of like, but I guess it depends on your budget. If you can afford it, get them both. If you can't, maybe get the other. But yes, this is probably, I guess, the standout product for the box. Something that I was really excited about was this from Professional. Of course, me being me, I did a test and it really does work. Like, I will try and put a side by side of my face at the beginning of the video to now, and you can see, hopefully, that, not just me being weird, but so I just put it around here, and I think it helped my smile lines be smaller, and it helped my skin look smoother, and just overall just looks better. Definitely looks better. My pores do look smaller. So this is a great kind of thing, and I like the fact that you couldn't really see it on my skin. Like, it doesn't look weird. So it is the kind of thing that I could just pop on and go out of the house when I'm not wearing makeup, which I'm not really wearing face makeup much at the moment because it's so hot. my face just melts it right off, and it's just a mess. We don't want to do that. We don't need to do that. So I'm really happy to receive this, but like, it's too small. This could have been the, like, yes, a full size special professional from Benefit would have been amazing, like as the birthday treat. But I'm glad to have had it rather than not have it. So this crayon, I picked this up. It's a crayon from Lord & Berry, and I was like, oh no, not another crayon from Lord & Berry. We've had a few eye pencils, we've had a few lip pencils, not just from Birchbox, but you know, from other boxes. And I was just kind of had enough. I don't really care for the eye pencils that much. The lip one I like better. However, I realised this is not an eye pencil. It's a strobing pencil. Can you imagine? And it says, strobing is just another way of highlighting. Apply this vitamin-infused pencil to cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose and the corner of your eyes, blending with your fingertips for a high-voltage glow in moments. And it's just, you can just sort of just about see it's pink. It's really hard to see. I've done it. I did it here, in case you couldn't tell. I've now got some shine here, here. I put it here. And it's really easy to use, it's really easy to blend out. This is the colour, so you can see how bright it is. So it's kind of like a sort of pinky colour there, and then it's like full on shiny, whitey, silvery, goldy colour. And I really like it. I think this is actually my favourite Lord & Berry product I've ever had. And this is something that I could easily use just to put on when I'm, well, whenever. Like right now, I'm not wearing the other makeup, so I can just pop it on. Oh, I've got a bit of highlight. I look like I'm glowing, but in a good way. Hopefully. Hopefully. Do I? Hopefully. Oh, and especially on my top lip, because that is an area I often forget to put highlighter on. And then trying to put on like a cream or something, it's just too big and not precise enough. So this is good. I did put it on my inner corner, but I didn't enjoy putting it on there as much as I would just put some powder or something. But everywhere else, I really like it. So then we have this from number 4, brand I've never heard of before, High Performance Haircare Smoothing Balm. And it's funny because it's in another language. Is it French, maybe? I think it's French, but it's made in America. But I really love this little cute bird duck thing that's snorkeling on it. I think that is super cute. It says, smoothing balm tames and smooths frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. Distribute evenly through damp hair, blow dry or air dry as desired. It's vegan, gluten-free, zero sodium chloride. It's available at fine spas and salons, if you wanted to know. Birchbox says, whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair and then style as normal. So I'm definitely going to give this a go. I love anything that can reduce my frizz, although I have quite a lot of hair, so I'm not sure how long it will last. But hey, it's worth a shot. It's just sort of a white conditioner kind of looking product, and it smells quite nice. What do we think? What do you think? Does this feel like a 5th birthday box? Not even a 1st birthday box, but a 5th birthday box. We're a well-established brand now. We know what we're doing. We've got links to all the big brands. We can get some good products. Does it feel like this is a 5th birthday box? No, it doesn't. We've got one full-size item. It would have been so good if either they'd all been large travel size items. Like, this is 20ml, the full size is 200ml. So if we'd have had a 100ml item, it would have been much more impressive. This is 30ml, the full size is 150. So if we'd have had a 75ml even, it would have felt a lot more impressive. And of course, this is 3ml. They actually do 7.5ml size little versions as well. So we could have had a bigger mini version, and the full size is 22ml. So I think that if they'd have put a full size of this in here, then we would have been like, yes, that is a birthday box. That is awesome. I'm really impressed. But do I like the product? Yeah, I am going to use everything in here, and I'm particularly pleased with this and with the pencil. And, you know, I like tea, that's fine. But I just don't feel like it's a birthday box. I feel like this would be an okay box, but it's not a birthday box. The total value of this box, I forgot to say, is £33.59. It's like two and three quarters the box cost. I don't know. Maybe I'm being harsh. Am I being harsh? What do you guys think? Do you think that this is like, yes, happy birthday? Do you think it's even just a good general box? I mean, of course we have the commemoration tin, but we get a box from Birchbox all the time that we can keep. Maybe I'm just being whingy. Let me know. Let me know. Am I being unfair? Or could Birchbox put in a bit more effort? Which is what I think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to find out about Birchbox this month. Join me next month because I'm pretty sure there'll be another Birchbox, but I've got plenty more unboxings that I've already recorded and are up, or boxes and coming in the future. So hang around because there's plenty more to come. Until I see you next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.